On film, coating, laminating, or other roll-to-roll lines, a rubber roller may start slipping, sticking, leaving pressure marks, swelling, or wearing out early again after recovering. The rubber is new, but the core, the original roller design, and the working conditions may not have changed. Recovering replaces the rubber layer. It does not fix a bent core, worn journals, excessive runout, or a roller structure that was already unsuitable. When the same problem comes back, compare the old failure with the new one. First, look at where it happens. If the pressure mark, vibration, or uneven wear returns in the same area, check the core and journals. A problem under the rubber can keep affecting the same position every time the roller turns. Then look at how long the roller runs before the problem returns. If the old cover swelled, softened, became sticky, hardened, or lost grip after a certain period, and the new cover does the same thing after a similar time, the original rubber specification may simply have been copied. The actual working conditions may need a different solution. Oil, solvent, adhesive, cleaning chemicals, heat, and long-term pressure can all change the rubber. If the same compound, hardness, and cover thickness are used again, the service life may also stay about the same. Also check when the problem appears during operation. If vibration or pressure marks return near the same line speed or load, do not only look at the rubber surface. Check the core stiffness, runout, balance, and how the roller contacts the mating roll. If slipping, sticking, or marking starts immediately after installation, check the finished roller itself. The final diameter, crown or profile, surface finish, and rubber thickness can all change the nip and contact. Before recovering a roller, first find out why the old cover failed. Otherwise, it is easy to rebuild the same roller and get the same problem again. If you have a similar rubber roller problem, contact Wolorin. The full guide and related links are in the description.